Morning everyone, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you're doing well today. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. Thanks for joining me, and I hope that this video is not blurry. I just wanted to give a quick flip through of this finished little Dollar Tree collage cards little book that I made, and I finally finished it. I had forgotten about it for a while, so I just thought I would do a little flip through. And this is like a tea bag. Are not flowers the stars of the earth? I guess I better come back down. I'm even using the background that I got at Five Below. Today is full of possibilities. There's little kiss marks on the background and a dragonfly and a flower. Then we have Hello Autumn. I think these are all cutouts from a paper pack that was in Dollar Tree. Guess in the autumn. I think it was last year. Maybe been the year before, but I think it was last year. And these are some more of those. It was like a cut apart sheet. There's the scarecrow. Then we have some butterflies. It says, "Together is the best place to be. Me and you stuck like glue." Little owl. Believe in yourself. May your day be full of sunshine. This is my favorite page. Just a bunch of flowers and 2 hummingbirds. This look kind of like reminds me of the ocean or water. There's a little bit of green here and then yellow for the sunset. And then we have Smile, Be Happy, little raccoon. This is a piece of picture that I cut out of wallpaper. Adventure is worthwhile. Be fearless. Take risks. Somebody loves you. Cute as a bunny. This I just got this year from Dollar Tree, the little bunny. I really didn't know what to do with this balloon animal background. I would not choose to put that in my book next time. I actually used one as a birthday card for my daughter-in-law because I had 2 packs. Got a hedgehog. Oops. Just another little... I got these packs of these die cuts at, I believe it was Walmart. Some stickers from a Christmas kids catalog. I think it was Amazon. Just some flowers that I cut out of, I don't know, a book or a magazine. Halloween stickers. I thought this kind of reminded me of, you know, those sprinkles that you put on top of cakes? That's what that reminded me of. And then a little dog with 2 birds, but the birds kind of are see-through, transparent, so you don't see them too well, but they're sitting on his back. And then this one. And that's it for this video. I can now retire this little book, put it on my shelf, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.